Study the following information carefully to answer the given questions. 8 houses A1, A2, A3 and so on till A8 are situated across a street, not necessarily in the same order. The houses are facing north. The houses are facing north. Now this is an important point, right? Houses are facing north means what? Right? Remember, in a linear arrangement, when a person or an object is facing north, left of that person or that object should be towards our left, and right of the person or right of that object should be towards our right. Okay? It will be opposite when the object or the person is facing south. So here it's simple, north. North means what? Left is left and right is right. Keep that in mind. Now these houses have got house numbers, different house numbers, starting from B101, B102 and so on till B108, but not necessarily in the same order. The arrangement is based on the following rules. So some rules have been given to us, right? So we have to follow these rules to do the arrangement of these houses. So I think let's get started. See, it's a linear arrangement. Important point to be noted is when you are doing a linear arrangement, you just cannot start from wherever you want. We know that there are 8 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have to fix house number and the houses on these 8 positions. But we cannot start with the first point and or we cannot apply the first point wherever we want in this straight line here. We have to know what exactly is the position of a particular house. Is it in this first position or second position or third position or so on till 8th position. Had it been a circular arrangement, we could start from wherever we want. Circular arrangement does not have a defined position number. Any position can be taken as first position. But here the first position is defined. The second position is defined. The last position is also defined. So you have to be very, very careful when you are doing a linear arrangement. Okay. So keeping that in mind, what I would recommend is, convert these statements, these clues or these rules given to us in pictorial form. Try to make pictorial representations of all these clues given to us and then fix those pictures in this linear arrangement. Alright, so let's look at the first one. It says A8 is second to the right of the house number B108. A8 is second to the right of house number B102. Not 108, B102. So A8 is second to the right of B102. Now where is B102? We have no idea. It can be on any of these positions. But what I definitely know is A8 is second to the right of B102, which means if this is B102, it will be second to the right of. So first and second to the right. This is B8. So wherever you put it in the arrangement, this picture has to be fixed. It will come in this fashion, right? You see, second to the right of B102, first and second. A8 is second to the right of B102. Next point, there are 5 houses between the house number B103 and house number B108. There are 5 houses between 103 and 108. Means what? Let's say if this is B103, 103. There will be 5 houses in between, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is going to be B108. So the start of the arrangement is very, very important. See, whenever you're solving a linear arrangement, right? Or a circular arrangement for that matter, or any puzzle for that matter, starting is very, very important. How you start the whole arrangement is very important. In my view, I would prefer to start with the second clue. If I have to do the arrangement, I will prefer to start with the second clue. Let me tell you why. I have already got 7 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only the 8th position is left out. Now, either that 8th position will come on the right of B108 or it will come on the left of B103. But the 7 positions are fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, 5 of these are still vacant. That's a different story. But in terms of order, I know that B103 is here, B108 is here. And in between there will be 5 positions. Of course, one important point to be noted is, here we cannot exactly fix 103 and 108 in these positions. These can be interchanged. Why can these be interchanged? Because it says there are 5 houses between 103 and 108. But is 103 on the left of 8? 108 or 108 on the left of 103 is not known to us. So it will result in 2 possibilities. 103 on left, 108 on right, or 108 on right, 108 on left and 103 on right. Right? Move to the next point. B102 is to the immediate left of house number B103. 102 is to the immediate left of 103. Now this is an important and useful information. Why? Why is it useful? Because 103 is already there in the picture in the earlier arrangement that we have done. All I have to do is fix 102 there. What is it? B102 is on the immediate left of 103. So immediate left of 103 means what? This side. But remember, B103 can also come here. So if B103 comes in this position, 102 will come in this position. So what I'll do is immediately I'll consider these 2 points and do the arrangement. Right? What can be done? Simple. Let's say let's say there are two possibilities, right? We have already understood. Just a second. Let me just clear this up. We know that there are two possibilities. What are the two possibilities? I'm just clearing this up. I'm starting with the second clue as suggested earlier. So 103, B103, in between there are 5 positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B108. I'll duplicate this, right? What is the other possibility? B108, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B103. Getting it? This is case number 1 and this is case number 2 here. We have satisfied the second point. There are 5 houses between 103 and 108, right? So both the possibilities have been considered. Now let's connect the third point with the second one. What is the third point? 102 is on the immediate left of 103. 102 is on the immediate left of 103. 103 is here, immediate left is 102. So this is B102. In this case, this is 103. So 102 will come here because it is on the immediate left of 103. Now if you observe, in case number 1, we have already got the 8 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In case number 2, we have got only 7 so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the 8th position can either be on this side or on this side. It can be on the left of 108 or it can be on the right of 103. But the second and the third clues have been fixed. Now I think since 102 has been fixed, we can also use the first point. Look at the first point. First point included 102, right? B102. So B102 dash A8. That's what was given. A8 is second to the right of B102. A8 is second to the right of B102. So if I look at case number 1, A8 is second to the right of B102. So B102, first and second. A8 should come here. All I'll do is I'll write A8 under the line. See, let's write the house numbers on top and houses at the bottom, right? So that we don't get confused. Similarly, in this case, B102 is here. A8 is second to the right. First and second. B102 is here. A8 is second to the right. So A8 comes here. Now in both the cases, we have got 8 positions. In the first case, we already had 8 positions. In the second one also, we have got the 8 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so the first 3 clues have been used. So we are off to a good start. I'm just clearing it up so that it doesn't confuse you. Right? We are off to a good start. 3 points have been used and we have got 2 possibilities. Now let's fix the remaining clues or rules given to us and see which one satisfies all the conditions. Now the clue number 4 here is, or rule number 4 here is, there are 2 houses between A7 and 101. 2 houses between A7 and 101. So if it is 101 here, there will be 2 houses between A7 and 101. Again remember, these 2 can be swapped. It can be 101 dash dash A7 or A7 dash dash 101. Moreover, it says A7 is not the house number, A7 is not house number B101, 102 or 103. So this also is useful. See, already 102 and 103 are marked in both the arrangements, in both the possibilities. It says A7 cannot be 102 or 103. And there are 2 houses between A7 and 101. Yeah. So we can maybe try using it immediately or look for more clues. Let's read the other statements also. If we find something more definite which can be fixed immediately, we will use that. Otherwise, we will try out the possible cases. So next clue says 107 and 105 are immediate neighbors of A7. 107 and 105 are immediate neighbors of A7. So how does this look like? If this is A7, we will have B107 on one side and B105 on the other side. And remember, these also can be swapped. All he has said is 107 and 105 are neighbors of A7. Who is the left neighbor and who is the right neighbor is not required. Okay. I mean, is not given. Who's exactly the left neighbor, exactly the right neighbor is not known. All we know is they are neighbors, immediate neighbors. But these 3 should come together. 105, A7 and B107. Alright. Now, read the next statement. A4 is third to the left of 107. A4 is third to the left of 107. Now 107 as such in the arrangement is not done, but here in the previous clue we have. So A4 is third to the left of 107. Let me write it pictorially again. So if this is 107, A4 is third to the left of. Achha, third to the left of he says, right? So if this is 107, B107, A4 is third to the left. First, second, third. This is going to be A4. Next clue. A3 has the house number B104 to its immediate left. A3 has house number B104 to its immediate left. So if this is A3, immediate left is going to be B104. So all these have to be satisfied in the arrangement, right? Immediate left of A3 is B104. Next point, there are two houses between 108 and A1. There are two houses between 108 and A1. Now this can be directly put up in the arrangement because 108 is fixed. See, that's what I was telling you, right? Let's find out those things which can be put directly in the arrangement here. Right? Since 108 is already planted in the possible cases, I can plant A1 also. There are two houses between 108 and A1. 108 is here. There should be two houses between 108 and A1. So 1, 2, this should be A1. In case number 2, B108 is here. There should be two houses between 108 and A1. So 1, 2, and this should be A1. So this clue is done. Last point here is A5 is fourth to the right of A6. A5 is fourth to the right of A6. So if this is A6, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be A5. A5 is fourth to the right of A6. So between A5 and A6, there are going to be three houses. And of course, A6 is on the left, A5 is on the right. So we have been able to put 4 points already in the arrangement and the others have been pictorially represented. Now we have to rule out the, wrong case and fix all the points in the correct one. So which one shall we use? Find out if there is anything else which can be directly fixed. So only A1 and A8 are marked and 102, 103 and 108 are marked. So which one shall we use? A4 dash 107. Or maybe we can club these 2 points. See, in this point we have got A7 and this point also we have got A7, right? So these two can be mixed or these two can be used together to find out what will happen. So let me use these two. What happens? See, we know that there are two houses between A7 and 101. There are two houses between A7 and 101. So it will result in two possibilities. Either it will be A7 dash B101 or B101 dash A7. So we have considered both the possibilities for this one. Now look at the other point. It says 105 and 107 are the neighbors of A7. So the neighbors of A7 will be 105 and 107. So like let's say B105, B107. Or here also B105, B107. Of course, these two can be swapped. Remember? As such, we will get 4 possibilities because this will give you 2 possibilities. This will give you 2. When both are used together, we will get 2 into 2, 4 possible cases. Right? I am mixing both of them. So let's try and fix this. I think we will be able to rule out the wrong case if we try to use this here. See, for example, let's use A7. Let's use this point. No. There are two houses between A7 and 101. A7 cannot be 102 or 103. So A7 cannot come here. A7 is not 102 or 103. Here also A7 is not 102 or 103. Let's try and fix A7. So where can A7 come? A7 can come here in this position. If A7 comes here, then B101 should be 2 places away. So dash B101 can come here. Right? What's the other possibility? A7 can come here. If A7 comes here, then dash 101 should come here. Okay, that's a possibility. Can A7 come here? No, A7 cannot come here. A7 cannot come here also. Why can't it come here? Remember, the neighbors of A7 are 105 and 107. If you take A7 in this position, the neighbor becomes 108. So A7 cannot come here. So there are only 2 possibilities for A7, either this position or this position. Accordingly, we can fix 101. Similarly, let's try to fix A7 in the second case. Where can A7 come? Can A7 come here? No, A7 cannot come here. Acha, by the way, can A7 come here in the last position? No, because A7 will have 2 neighbors, 105 and 107. Not possible. And now look at case 2. A7 cannot be in the first position because the neighbors of A7 are 105 and 107. Here there is only one neighbor for A7, even if it comes here. So A7 cannot come here. Can A7 come here? No, not possible. It cannot come here because neighbor has to be 5 and 7. Here the neighbor is 108. Can A7 come here? Maybe. If A7 comes here, we know that there are 2 places between A7 and 101. So A7 comes here, 1, 2. This should be B101, but not possible because this is B102 already. Are you getting it? If you take A7 here, dash, this should be 101, but that's not allowed. So A7 cannot come here. This is already A1. Can A7 come here? No, it cannot come here. Why? Because the neighbors of A7 are 105 and 107. Here the neighbor is 102. So A7 cannot go there. It cannot come here, it cannot come here, and this is already A8. Which means case number 2 is wrong. Why is case number 2 wrong? We are not getting even one position. We are not getting even one position for A7. Which means case 1 only has to be the right answer. Now in case 1 we have already seen that there are two possibilities for A7. So what we can do is, to keep things simple, immediately duplicate case number 1. In one case take A7 here, in the other case take A7 here, and then proceed. It will make things simple. So let me duplicate it, right? B102, B103, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is B108. And then we have A8 here, A1 here, right? We know that there are two possibilities. Either A7 comes here or A7 comes here, which I will take here. Are you able to follow? So both the possibilities of A7 have been considered. Both the possibilities of A7 have been considered, either this position or this position. Accordingly, fix B101 now. So if A7 is here, B101 is 2 places away. So 1, 2, B101. If A7 is here, B101 should be 1, 2, 101. You're getting it? There are two houses between A7 and B101. Done. Let me clear all this cross marks now. Those were the indications that A7 cannot come. Now that A7 is fixed, we can do away with that. Now try to fix the other things. What are the other things? So this point has been used. There are two houses between A7 and 101. The neighbors of A7 are 5 and 7. Try to fix that. So 5 and 7 will take these two positions respectively. I mean in some order basically. So let me just write 105, 107. We are not sure. We can swap these two. But at least the places are blocked, right? Similarly, this is 105. This is, let's say, 107. Of course, again, these two also can be swapped. We are not sure. Now do the other things. What is the other thing? A4 is third to the left of 107. Is 107 fixed? Achha, 107 is not fixed, but we can try out now. A4 is third to the left of 107. So if we take 107 in this position, A4 is third to the left of 107. First, second, third. A4 comes here. If we take 107 in this position, A4 is third to the left. First, second, third. Both are possible. In the second case, what happens? If you take 107 in this position, see, try and understand. In case 2, if you take 107 in this position, it says A4 is third to the left of 107. First, second, third. A4 is going out of the arrangement, which means 107 cannot come here. It has to come here. And 105 will come here. You're getting it? So now with respect to case 2, 5 and 7 are fixed. Let me clear this. This is 105 and here is 107. I hope all of you are able to follow. I am going a little slow so that all of you can follow it. This is B107 and this is B105. Both are neighbors of A7. And the point here is A4 is third to the left of 107. First, second, third. This is A4. In case number 1, it is still not fixed. A3 has the house B104 to its immediate left. Is 104 fixed? 104 is not fixed. Now 104 can either come here or here. What do we know? This one. B104 and A3 have to be in this order. So if I take 104 here, A3 has to come here. Not possible. If I take 104 here, A3 can come here. Yeah, so the only possibility is B104 in this position and this takes A3. Similarly, in case 2, if I take 104 here, this should be A3, which is not possible. Hence, 104 should be coming here. And this becomes A3. So done. This point has also been used. So what's the only one left out now? 101 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4, 5, 7, 8. 6 is left out, which has to come here. B106, let's say. B106. Here again, I will say these two can be swapped, right? Still, that possibility is there. A5 is fourth to the right of A6. A5 is fourth to the right of A6. Let's use this now. So A6 dash 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 A5. Fix it. A6. Let's say if A6 comes here. Dash 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 A5. Not possible. A6 dash 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 A5. Not possible. A6 dash 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 A5. Yeah. So the only possibility is this is A6 and this is A5. Try case number 2. A6 dash 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 A5. Not possible. A6 dash 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 A5. Not possible. A6 dash dash. So case number 2 is wrong. Why I am not able to fix this piece here? A6 triple dash A5, right? So A6 triple dash A5 not possible. A6 triple dash A5 also not possible. That's it. So I think the first one only has to be the answer. Okay. So this point has also been used. Which is the point left out now? A4 is third to the left of house number B107. Now we can fix 107 here in this case. What do we know? A4 is third to the left of 107. If this is 107, A4 should be third to the left. First, second, third. Not possible. So 107 cannot come here. This should be 105. And this should be 107. And what do we know? A4 is third to the left of 107. So first, second, third, A4 is here. That's it. So what is left out now? 1, A1, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. A2 will come here. That completes the arrangement. Let me fix this also. This is 107 and this is 105. Done. The arrangement is done. Here is B107. This is B105. So this gives the final arrangement. Please do not go by the length of the explanation, because here I was not solving it. I was explaining it to you all. So it naturally takes more time. But when you do it yourself, right? When you do it yourself, you'll be able to get the answer much faster. However, even after solving this one, I would still recommend that the best way to deal with such questions in the exam is to skip and just move to the next one. Do not solve these questions immediately. First, solve the easier questions. See, in the reasoning section, you will have various topics, right? So first, try to solve those questions where there is a definite method, where you know that answer can be obtained following a process. Here there is no guarantee how much time it's going to take, how much whether we'll really get the answer or not. All those things are not clear to us. So never waste your time in trying out such questions. It can be a huge gamble, right? It's a big gamble, in fact, right? You can be wasting your precious time by attempting such questions in the exam. Only try towards the end of the exam. All right. Now let me quickly look at the questions. Let me also present the questions to you. So look at the first question. Which of the following houses are situated in a consecutive manner? Which of the following houses are situated in a consecutive manner? 2, 4, 6. Now we'll have to go back and check actually. 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 7 or 1, 7, 5. 2, 4, 6, no. 8, 6, 7, no. 1, 6, 5, no. 1, 7, 5, no. 6, 1, 7, 3, 5, 4. 6, 1, 7. Yeah, I think 6, 1, 7. Look at this. A6, A1, A7. These three are consecutive, right? A6, A1, A7. So option 4 can be taken as the answer. Option D. Next one. If A2 is related to 103 and A4 is related to 101. A2 is related to 103. A4 is related to 101. Find out the relationship A2, 103. A2 is related to 103. Look at this. And A4 is related to 101. A4 is related to 101. Do you understand the relationship? We are taking the house on the right hand side. A2 on the right is 103. A4 on the right is 101. Then which of the following house number is related to A1? What will be related to A1? B104 should be related to A1. We are taking the house on the next right. So A1 will be related to 104. House number 104. Yeah. Look at the third question. Which of the two houses are exactly in the middle of the street? Which are in the middle of the street? Exactly in the middle of the street? I think A6 and A1. These two are in the middle of the street. On the left you have got 3. On the right you have got 3. Exactly in the middle are 6 and 1. A6 and A1. Option C. Fourth one. Which of the following is the immediate neighbor of the house number B104 and 108? Which of the following is immediate neighbor of 104 and 108? So basically, what comes in the middle of 104 and 108? In the middle of 104 and 108. Who is the immediate neighbor of 104 and 108? It is B105 or A3. Yes or no? B105 or A3. Check that. A3. Option B. And the last question here. Which of the following is the correct combination of house and house number? House and house number. So A2106. Quickly check. A2106. No. A8105. A8105. No. A1101. A1101. No. A3107. A3107. No. So answer has to be last option. A6106. Just check. Yes. A6106. This is the correct combination, right? So option E is the answer.